Strong earthquake tremors were felt in Taiwan today. Many buildings have been damaged due to the earthquake, after which train service was suspended across Taiwan. During this, the subway service in Taipei was also temporarily closed. Hello, welcome to India World Insight channel. In today's video, massive earthquake in Taiwan caused a lot of devastation. After the earthquake, Taiwan, Japan and the Philippines issued a tsunami alert. Japan's meteorological department had predicted that waves of up to 3 meters high, about 10 feet, would rise in the sea. However, Japan and the Philippines have now removed the tsunami alert. Tremors of the earthquake were felt in Japan as well. Let us know why so many earthquakes occur in these areas. Japan is sensitive to earthquakes. Earthquakes keep occurring here because it is located near the junction of two tectonic plates. Okinawa Prefecture, where earthquake tremors have been felt, is located close to a horseshoe-shaped series of seismic fault lines around the ocean called the Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is an area where oceanic tectonic plates are present along with continental plates. When these plates collide with each other, an earthquake occurs. Their impact causes tsunamis and volcanoes also erupt. 90% of the world's earthquakes occur in this Ring of Fire. This area is spread over 40,000 kilometers. 75% of the active volcanoes in the world are in this region. 15 countries, Japan, Russia, Philippines, Indonesia, New Zealand, Antarctica, Canada, America, Mexico, Guatemala, Costa Rica, Peru, Ecuador, Chile, Bolivia are in the grip of the Ring of Fire. Taiwan is located on the Pacific Ring of Fire. That is, earthquakes and volcanic activities are very common in this area. But how did such a big earthquake occur in Taiwan? Let's try to understand it from its geographical conditions. Actually, Taiwan rests on the very complex settings of tectonic plates. Leave aside the small plates and faults. If we talk only about the big tectonic plate boundary, then understand it like this. The Philippine Sea plate sinks under the Eurasian plate near the Ryukyu Trench. Trench means a deep sea valley, while the Eurasian plate sinks under the Philippine Sea plate near the Manila Trench. In such a situation, the ground under the island of Taiwan is like a sandwich of 3 layers. If there is movement in even one of these plates, then the effect reaches both the trenches. Minor earthquakes keep happening. But such a massive earthquake can only happen if there is a release of pressure. This pressure is created by the sliding, rubbing, climbing over each other, sinking or breaking of tectonic plates. Let us understand the character of the land beneath Taiwan. Taiwan rests on the tip of a hilly structure inside the sea. On one side of this island there is a high area in the sea, which connects to China. That is, towards the northwest, west and southwest. But if we talk about the northeast, east and southeast of Taiwan, then it is a deep valley, meaning on one side it has a solid surface and on the other side a deep valley. It is called Longitudinal Valley. This valley is formed by the collision of the Philippine Sea and the Eurasian plate. This created many big cracks inside the sea, out of which the Ryukyu Trench is in the northern part. That is, the Ryukyu Subduction System. The second is the Manila Trench. But scientists have found 2 unknown reverse faults under Taiwan. That is, the faults were found which were rotating in the opposite direction to the way faults usually occur. A reverse fault is going from east to west. This is a fault inclined towards the south under the Livu River fan delta. The second fault is going from north to south. It is inclined towards the east, which is near the eastern central range of Taiwan. Both the faults are connected to each other at a depth of about 10 kilometers in the sea, due to which a curved ground structure is being formed here. This is the structure inside the Sea of Taiwan. This is where the Melun Fault is, which caused an earthquake of 7.3 magnitude in October 1951. It was calm for the last 2 decades. But it is possible that this time this fault has become active. or it may have created a new crack fault, which is disturbing the Eurasian plate and the Philippine Sea plate. And because of this, a major earthquake has come in Taiwan today. By the way, you must know that whichever country is around the ring of fire, earthquakes often occur there. That's all for today's video. See you in the next video. For such insightful knowledge, join our channel, and for now, if you liked this video, then like the video. If you have any suggestion, then tell us in the comment. Also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.